Hey everyone, Build It here. We're getting ready to do the ProFi box for the month of January 1st, 2020. So, Happy New Year everybody. This is the first ProFi box of the year. I'm going to adjust this camera just a little bit because I'll be mostly off to the one side a little bit, but not a lot. Okay, that might be a little better. Yeah, it's a little better. Okay, so here's the ProFi box. Just received it today. Went to lunch or brunch, or whatever you want to call it, with my wife, and the box was on the front porch when we got back. I knew it was out for delivery because they actually send you a delivery notification if I have the box turned wrong. So get it open here. Here's the packing slip. So fold my knife up to be safe. And let's see, the packing slip says, so this month we have sky blue. Okay, it also says we have an accessory. So here's the accessory right here. It's a drill bit reaming knife for post-processing. So let's kind of get a look at what it is actually inside the package here. Sorry, I can't see the monitor. What I'm seeing here, so I don't know how things are looking. So it's got like it's almost like a punch, like an awl right here. And it says it's a drill bit. Oh, it is. So it's actually got like a fluted edge. So it kind of cuts in here, and it actually will ream out a hole for a certain size. So that's what they're meaning by a reamer. I don't know if it opens up anyplace else. So it's designed so that you can unscrew it from this end, but you can't do anything with it after that. If they had made it so that the other part was threaded, you could screw it in and have a longer handle on this. Give yourself a little bit more grip room to grab a hold of this thing when you're trying to really ream something. So that would have been a nice feature to have this be able to screw back into the top half. That way you don't lay it around and possibly lose the thing either. Or lose track of it, let's put it that way. So anyway, there's the Reamer Tool. It's up to 14 millimeter diameter size. It says right here on the side, 0 to 14 millimeter. So that's the tool of the month. Put it back into a plastic bag here. And then the first tool filament is Sky Blue. So Pro Select Sky Blue. I'm not sure what I'll print with it yet, but I'll figure out something. In the background, you can see my printer is running back here. You can see my Ender 3 is running. I'm printing, what's it called? The Fairy Dragon? I think that's what it's called. I want to think it's Photos Mint that did this. I'm pretty sure it is. And I'm printing that in the Filament One Pro Select Glint Purple, or Purple Glint, or however they want to say it. And the other color is a Silver Glint. Now, I know they like to call it silver, but you know, looking at some of the new filaments that are out, I have trouble calling that silver anymore. That's more of a gray. Don't get me wrong, I like printing with these colors, and I like the glints, but it's really not. It never looks silver to me. For the new glint stuff that they're coming out with, like if you see Filament Frenzy, you see what he's printing with, and that stuff is like, it just shines like polished aluminum. It looks great, and that's what I expect when I see silver. But anyway, not to put down the product, because I've used plenty of what they call silver, and if you look at it in the right light and the light reflects properly, it looks like silver, but only when the light reflects on it a certain way. Otherwise, looking straight on it and on a not so bright light, you won't ever see it looking like silver. It'll look gray. So that's just my opinion. The group project this month is from Photos Mint. Let's go take a look at that. I'll bring that up on my computer monitor here, and we'll get a look at that. Oh, I'm sorry. The other two things you got in the Ultra Stick sticker and a mini stoop waffle. Those are the other two things in the box. That was the entire contents of the box. Let's go look at the project here. So we'll go to, I'll turn down one of the monitors here. Which one's which? I don't know. There we go. Okay, so that one's gone. Let's see. Filament One. Oops. Nice. Yoda, yeah. Filament. No, don't use the top row. 1.com/PB for ProFi box -JN20. So here's the ProFi One box here, and then this month's project. Oh, it's the Baby Yoda. So if you haven't printed the Baby Yoda, here's your chance to get it and print it. That's nice. So it went right to his pay site instead of going to the other one. Thank you. That doesn't work so good. You know, if you're not a patron, you aren't going to get anything. So I don't know. Oh, okay. So download it here. So this is probably on a different site. Nope, it just goes right to it. Okay. So you can download it. Save as. And I will go to my directory that has all my stuff for different people, and we'll download his Baby Yoda. And I will actually open it in a in my slicer. 50 seconds remaining. I don't know why it's taking so long today. I'll remove this model. I'm done with it. I've done everything I want. This is the dragon I'm printing on the other printer. Hopefully it comes out okay. I'll save a factory file so that I can, if I need to retry this, I can come back to the settings and change something from there. And then we'll remove it, and then we'll go. I don't know if that was a zip file for his. Still downloading, not done yet. 8 seconds left. Two seconds left. 1 second left. It's done. And yes, this is straight STL file, so I don't have to unzip it. Import. And there's Baby Yoda there. So here's the Baby Yoda he has for his model. I know that another person, Chris Freeze, I believe is his name, did a model of this as well. Because I think he also did an MMU version of this model. So anyway, if you haven't printed, here's your chance. Model's free, no cost. As part of the Filament One ProFi box, it's no cost. But just I'll have to wait because I'm busy printing, and all my other printers are in the garage, and it's too cool in the garage. Things don't want to stick to the build plate because it's so cold down there. So I need to heat it. I need to enclose my whole shelf system that I have all my printers on to make it so it'll hold heat. Put doors on it and everything. But for now, that's the way it is. Alright, so that's the entire Filament One ProFi box for the month of January 2020. And we'll close that out. And this is Build It. And see you next time. See you in about a month. And we'll talk about the next ProFi box. And soon to come the other things that I do. Anyway, have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye. Sorry guys, I just brought this image back up. I'm just doing a quickie to show the actual model. Like I said, I couldn't see my monitor when I was recording because it's off to the other side of me, and I'm not looking at it the whole time. And so when I looked over, I saw that the model was actually blocked, so you couldn't see the Yoda model, the Baby Yoda model. So this is the model here. And it's a nice looking model. I don't know how well it will print, we'll see. It seemed to have no problem anyway, as far as I can currently tell. But sometimes I see models and they look like they have no problems, and oh man, there's all kinds of problems with them. So, but usually Photos is really good with his stuff, so his models are usually pretty well spot on. So I don't think there'll be any problems with it. Like I said, I'm printing the the dragon that he made right now, the fairy dragon. And I actually printed it once already, but I printed it in a glow-in-the-dark resin, or glow-in-the-dark filament rather, sorry. And didn't come out quite as good, as smooth as I would like. There's some pieces that dripped off, and there was a bit of stringing. I hit it with a heat gun, but it still wasn't good enough. It still is pretty rough. The surfaces are smooth. It's just at the edging and stuff, and at the places where, like on the back of the dragon's spike scales on the back of his on his back, those kind of didn't come out very good. So I'm printing another one, but it's not glow in the dark. It will have support under those scales and things like that, things that I saw where the problems were on this one. So I put support on the new one. So anyway, that's the other photoprint project I'm currently printing. So anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching and staying tuned into my videos. I really appreciate it. Build it out.